Hi guys, happy Monday. Okay, so here is what you are going to do for today. Don't forget to check in on Google Classroom, GC. Okay. You have 2 IXL assignments for today. Okay, and 3 if you did not complete the Wiser quiz, which is also on Google Classroom. I'll show you where exactly it is. Okay, where it says expressions quiz pre-algebra. If you did not click in and make sure that you handed in that assignment, please make sure that you do that. There's a little button after it that says hand in. Make sure that you have done that. If not, otherwise you're not going to get a grade for it. Okay, so when you're done with that, you are going to do some IXL skills, evaluate variable expressions. Okay, so it says 18 divided by v for v equals 3. So you're going to plug in your 3 into the v, and that becomes 18 divided by 3. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. Yay, that's awesome. Okay, here's another one. 11 minus 7, or 11 minus y for y equals 7. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Click submit. Boom. Look, I'm already at a 19%. You guys should be getting 100 on these, okay? The last thing that I would like you to do is to do the multiplication of numbers ending in zeros, okay? That is like a super basic skill, so it should be, again, like super easy 100. And then you're going to complete those. And I'm going to copy that, paste that guy. So that is your Monday assignment. All right, guys. We'll see you guys on Tuesday.